Are federal courts protecting immigrant rights?
Hello, greetings. I'm lawyer Edwin Fogam. I've practiced immigration and other areas of the law in the United States for the past 28 years. Recently, certain federal court decisions are indicating that the courts are actually reining in on some of the excessive immigration practices. There are some notable ones that came out recently. For example, the Supreme Court on June 26 actually ruled that excessive detention could not continue without a bond hearing. Prior to this, the DHS and ICE and the executive had taken the position that those in detention could just be in detention and they were not entitled to bond hearing. But the Supreme Court disagreed with that. And recently, on April 15, the District Court of, actually that was November 26, the District Court of Maryland ruled that DHS was not entitled to certain IRS information. Now, that is very important because what could happen is information about foreign nationals could be divulged from the IRS to DHS to use for various enforcement proceedings. And on April 15, 2025, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals blocked the removal of certain Cubans, Nicaraguans, and Venezuelans without due process. So these are some of the very important decisions from the court. And what this says is that ultimately the courts would be the final bastion, the final checks on any excessive immigration practices. Of course, many of these cases will end up in the Supreme Court, and it is hoped that the damages that these are being caused can be seen and will be reflected in these decisions. So this was what I thought about today, and I thought I should share it with you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our number is 301-608-1555. You can also shoot us an email to info@fogamlaw.com. info@fogamlaw.com. And always remember, understand the system, do not fear it, work with it, and you may benefit from it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.